Hi, it's Daniel and this is Valentina. I want to show you my version of the Real Red Glam Punk 2020. We already blow dried the hair. We shampooed the hair with the COLORVITALITY blonde shampoo, and I used the thickening spray, gives a lot of nice width into the hair, and in the end I used the humidity seal just to keep the ends shiny and straight. And now I want to show you what I'm going to do with the Real Red. Very simple, very easy. My version of Glam Punk 2020, the Real Red version.